All right, this is our Trousdale location in Nashville. You're gonna park in the parking lot, come right up the stairs. When you get to the top of the stairs, you're gonna make a right. It's unit 202. You're gonna come right up. You're gonna go ahead and input the code that we send you. You then go ahead and enter. You're gonna come right through. As soon as you get through the door, make a right, and you're gonna see our logo on the door here. There's no locks. Go ahead and enter in. You're then going to input your RQI, sign on and password, and start your skills check. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. When you are done with your skills check, if you can just do me a favor, clean up the office, just wipe down the mannequins with the wipes, put everything back together. Thank you very much.